Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CAD intraday watch 1.3300 analysis.http ntvforex.com news ID 706 CAE 7/30/2020 7:21:40 AM. USD CHF. The downside prevails. Stay on top of the markets with Swissquote News AMP analysis. Pivot invalidation 0.9155. Our preference short positions below 0.9155 with targets at 0.9095 amp 0.9070 in extension. Alternative scenario above 0.9155. Look for further upside with 0.9185 amp 0.9225 as targets. Comment as long as 0.9155 is resistance. Look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. USD CAD watch 1.3300. Pivot invalidation 1.3360. Our preference short positions below 1.3360 with targets at 1.3320 amp 1.3300 in extension. Alternative scenario above 1.3360. Look for further upside with 1.3375 amp 1.3400 as targets. Comment as long as the resistance at 1.3360 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 1.3320 remains high. AUD/USD bullish bias above 0.7160. Pivot invalidation 0.7160. Our preference long positions above 0.7160 with targets at 0.7195 amp 0.7220 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.7160. Look for further downside with 0.7145 amp 0.7125 as targets. Comment a support base at 0.7160 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. USD try turning down. Pivot invalidation 7.0000. Our preference short positions below 7.0000 with targets at 6.9480 amp 6.9170 in extension. Alternative scenario above 7.0000. Look for further upside with 7.0250 amp 7.0500 as targets. Comment the RSI is bearish and calls for further downside. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.